Hi there, Chris here with a quick little unboxing for you all. Today is a pre-order for the Aeldari Guardians. So this is an unboxing. We're going to have a look here. The good folks over at Games Workshop were kind enough to send me a review copy of this box set. So let's dive in. It is still shrink wrapped. I have not opened this thing at all. So let's bust in here. Just stab it right there. Let's get in there. Shrinky wraps. Love the shrinky wraps. So you can see on the back of the box, you get either the Guardian Defenders or the Storm Guardians. Heavy weapon options, and of course, the Storm Guardians also get a platform option as well. Really, really cool. I'm really excited for these sculpts. This has been a long time coming, I think. I was a little bit surprised, actually, that these guys got an update, but, you know, I think it was well earned, I think. Let's get in here. Let me in. Let me in. I'm not in yet. There we go. Ooh, we got, right off the hop, we got 3 sprues of stuff. Let's just pull it all out. So, empty box, big whoop, right? Got the instructions. We got baggie of bases. Looks like the, what are they, the 28 mil or the 32? They kind of look like the 32s, don't they? Looks like 32s. Oh, transfer sheet. Nice. This is the new transfer sheet. Anybody's familiar with the Eldritch Omens box set, they basically put this same transfer sheet in there, so now we get that. And of course, it has like all the markings you need for whatever craft world you are planning to paint them up as, or making up your own, you know? So, yeah, a lot of fun. Okay, we're not here for that. Booklet Instructions. Comes with all their little rules and everything like that, so you can pretty much start playing right away. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're the 28 mil base. Okay. Apparently it's a 20 mil base. At least according to this booklet. According to the booklet. The all-important booklet. Yeah. Lots of fun. All right. Enough of that. So we get 3 sprues. Oh, got a larger. Oh, this must be for the platform. There we go. 3 sprues. Lots of options in here. Let's have a look here. Oh man, look at all the heads. It's all the helmets, different body poses. More heads over here. Backpacks. Unhelmeted heads. Look at all the unhelmeted heads. Oh, look at that. So the Storm Guardians get little plumes on their helmets. Regular Guardians get regular helmets. And then, of course, all the unhelmeted heads. Now, for everybody out there who loves to do conversions, holy moly, this is going to be a lot of fun for conversions and such. Next sprue, looks like it's all the weapons and such. Shuriken catapults, close combat weapons, doodads, all the arms, pistols. Man. Oh, and the fusion gun, or that's the Melta. Where's the fusion gun? Or is that a Melta? That's a Melta. I can't tell. Crazy Aeldari weapons. Very, very cool. Oh, look at the platform. Oh, the platform even has like a little bit of scenery to it. Very, very cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got more weapons here on this sprue, more of the close combat. It's always one of the Guardians in here, probably the operator or something like that. Heavy weapons. Looks like no change really to the heavy weapons for the Guardian, although the scatter laser looks a little bit different. And the Shuriken cannon looks a little different too. Otherwise, everything else looks the same. Platform. I'm pretty sure it's the same kind of platform. Probably retooled for this set. Little grenade packs and doodads and stuff like that. But there we are. That's it. That is an unboxing of this sprue, this box set. It's up for pre-order as of the day of posting of this video. So if you're excited about these kits, I don't think you can go wrong picking one up. There's lots of little bits that are going to, you know, be able to see life in other models. And yeah, I like the fact that it comes with tons of head options. That is really, really cool. Very, very cool. I likey. Me likey. All right, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day.